This beautiful hobby farm includes 13.5 acres, a 2-bedroom 2-bath home and a large oversized garage with a work area. Priced at an affordable $144,900, this home is waiting for you, so give us a call and schedule an appointment to see it. This home doesn't need painting. It is a maintenance-free home with metal siding, metal roof and covered front porch. The windows are double pane and include decorative shutters. The 24 by 36 oversized garage matches the home and also includes metal siding and roof. The spacious front yard includes chain-link fence, providing a safe place for your children or pets. The rear of the home includes a spacious backyard and door that leads to the laundry room. On the back side of the home you see the central air conditioner. The home also has electric heat. The land is mostly wooded and includes an additional building site with city water, electric and lagoon. Enter the home into the living room with beautiful wood ceiling and walls, recessed lighting, ceiling fan and carpet flooring. Several windows flood the room with natural light. The dining area in front of the window is big enough for a table this size or even one a little bigger. The fireplace at the end of the living room is not included. With an open floor plan, the dining room, living room and kitchen all flow nicely into each other. The master bedroom includes carpet flooring, ceiling fan and recessed lighting. The master bath includes a single sink vanity, over-sink medicine cabinet, over-toilet cabinet and tub and shower combo. The floor is vinyl. Notice the multi-spray jetted shower heads with spray from above or from the side. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Bedroom 2 also includes recessed lighting, ceiling fan and carpet flooring. Bathroom 2 is much like the master except it doesn't have the fancy jetted shower or cabinet over the toilet. The floor is vinyl. Cabinets galore is a great way to describe this kitchen. With lots of oak cabinets and countertops, this country kitchen is spacious. It has recessed lighting and ceiling fan overhead. The window looks out over the backyard. The appliances include an electric range, exhaust fan and dishwasher. The floor in here is vinyl too. Located off at the kitchen, this laundry room includes washer and dryer connections, cabinets for storage, ceiling fan and recessed lighting. The furnace and water heater are in here too. The door leads to the backyard. The 2-car oversized garage is 24 by 36. It includes a concrete floor, electric, built-in shelving and plenty of space for a workshop.